Hey friends, if you wish to find your draft emails in Gmail, then please watch this video. I'll show you the complete procedure. First of all, I'll create a draft for you. Okay, so creating a draft means let us say that you added an email here. You have entered the subject line because to create a draft, you need some matter first of all. And then you clicked outside. The second you do that, it says draft saved. Now, even if you close that and forget to use it, then it is still drafted. But where is this draft email? So this draft email is in the drafts folder, which is on the list on the left hand side. Okay, you can access it, and when you click on it, it will open in the same way it opened when you were working on it earlier. If you want to delete it, then check the box associated with it and select discard drafts. Don't hit the delete key. If you hit the delete key, it will delete the entire thread. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.